This next one is kind of interesting. It seems as though Apple is embracing third parties for gaming on the Apple TV. So previously, they were trying to say you're going to game on the Apple TV with that little remote. It had an accelerometer and gyroscope, and you could play like driving games with that tiny, slim remote, which I've been critical of in the past. And it had its attributes, but they fixed it. Like, this is definitely going to be better, this remote. But one thing that happened here with this new remote, they got rid of those control schemes. They got rid of those sensors. So whatever games you were playing that may have utilized that functionality, you're not playing those games anymore.
Why would they do that?
You want to know why they did that?
Why?
Anyone want to speculate?
I guess they're making a controller.
Actually, no. I'm about to blow your mind. They're embracing the other controllers. They want you to use... I mean, there's rumors that they're working on their own controller, but in the meantime, and this is very new age Apple...
So you can use a Xbox controller?
PlayStation? Let me just make sure what it says here. tvOS now supports Xbox and PlayStation controllers. It seems that Apple wants to encourage users who like to play games on the Apple TV to have a better gaming experience with a joystick instead of the Siri remote. Are you surprised? Apple embraces Sony and Microsoft over here.
Embrace?
Well, they're letting you use the controller on that thing.
I think for now. I think they're going to make their own controller.
Sure, but in the meantime, if people pick up those controls, because they're trying to also push gaming. They're curious about gaming.
Yeah. This kind of bridges the gap.
Yeah, it's
at
getting
least for now.
Their foot in the door.
But I don't know if anyone's going to be upset that I don't know what titles, what games. The game that I play on Apple TV is you are a crab, and you're a baseball. You're a crab that plays baseball.
Makes sense.
And except the baseballs are beach balls. And you have to swing, almost like Nintendo Wii. You swing the controller to hit the baseball.
A beach ball, though, is easy to hit, no? Like, are you ever missing?
So in the game, it's not just about hitting.
What's it called?
What's it called?
Crab baseball.
No, you're not going to get it with crab baseball, man. You're going to have to type Apple TV game baseball. This is how you Google.
Out of the park?
No, Mr. Crab Baseball.
Crab.
There you go. Check this out. Check it out, man. You don't believe me. Look at this guy. And it's not, by the way, it's not just beach balls. It's different items. Sometimes it's like an egg, and then sometimes it's something you're not supposed to hit. You're supposed to protect, and then you have to pull out your net and catch it. You have also like a fishing net.
Oh.
Are crabs in right now? What's the deal with crabs?
Crabs are always in. They never left. They never left. Mr. Crab Baseball is created exclusively for the Apple TV. Use the Apple TV remote to swing the bat and control the net. When Mr. Crab's not busy saving lost baby crabs in towers around the world, he keeps his legs and claws in shape and on the ground by practicing baseball. What a crazy crossover. Who saw it coming?
Fun.
And if you swing it the right way in the right time and with the right velocity, because it's the sensors are determining what you're doing, then you get more points. Anyway, you can't play it on the new one. So that's gone. Shed a tear.
That's a shame.
Go
It sounds
shed a tear.
intriguing.
Go shed a tear.